You see? So the fractional flow will be like this. Previously, we have this one and 1. Okay. If you read your textbook about fractional flow, the shape will be like this one. If you change it, the shape will be like S, letter S. Okay, so I will use this one, click finish, yes. And then let's say I want to perform history matching again. Regression, I will give limit from 15,000 to 16,000. And then let's say I trust this one, 360, practically 360, aquifer permeability from 130 and 140 degrees or 140 millidarcies. And then the gas in place is around 30,000 and 35,000, transmissibility from 0.7 and 1. Now I will calculate again. Now with the correct relative permeability, let's see the difference. Let's wait until iteration number 500. It will not be that long. But by the way, you already got the point. Okay, so this is the thing that we run in simulation. We must achieve history matching to be sure that the model is correct or acceptable. Okay, so we cannot just input data, input simulation, input something, something, something. We must perform history matching. If it is matched, then the model is acceptable. You can use the model for analysis. You can use the model for forecasting. You can use the model to recommend drilling, to recommend water flood, to recommend workover, to recommend water injection. You can use the model to be used in your study. But if it is not matched, if it is not history matched, then we will not be so sure about the model. Okay, it can be garbage in, garbage out. So you must achieve history matching with good quality before you can use that for your proposal or for your study. Okay, so this is the recommendation. We can use that again. Click done. All right, so yeah, the result will be around this. So we can say that the gas in place for the first tank is around 15,300 million standard cubic feet. And we have aquifer in first tank with these parameters. And they have transmissibility, connectivity with another reservoir. For example, we have fault, okay? And we have connection through that fault with another gas reservoir. Okay, so we can say that the model is already correct and acceptable. Finish. So if you want to propose infill drilling, if you want to propose water injection or gas injection or anything that you want to propose, you can use the model for your further study. Okay, so I think that's all. I hope you can understand the importance of simulation, for especially history matching and the good conceptual modeling to be used in your simulation exercise. Okay, see you.